Introduction to Percentage Change. Hello and welcome to our presentation on percentage change. In this video, we will explore what percentage change is, why it's important, and how to calculate it using a simple formula. Percentage change measures the relative difference between two values indicating how much one value has changed compared to another. It's a useful tool in various fields, including finance, economics, and statistics, for analyzing trends and evaluating performance over time. The formula for calculating percentage change is percentage change equal new value minus old value over the old value multiplied by 100%. Let's break it down. Suppose the old value of a stock was $50, the new value is $60. We want to calculate the percentage change. Using the formula, percentage change equal the new value $60 minus the old value $50 over the old value $50 multiplied by 100%. Now 60 minus 50 will equal 10, so the equation will become 10 over 50 multiplied by 100%. So 10 over 50 is zero point 0.2 multiplied by 100%, then the percentage change is equal to 20%. So we can understand from this example that the original value of the stock was $50 and it has increased by 20% of the original value and it has become $60. Percentage change is a valuable tool for analyzing changes in data over time. By understanding how to calculate it, you can better interrupt trends and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching our presentation on percentage change.